March 1888. The northeastern United States is gripped by the deadliest blizzard in its history, the Great Blizzard of '88. With up to 55 inches of snow and winds howling at 80 miles per hour, entire towns were buried. Snowdrifts reached 50 feet, trapping people in their homes and streets. Over 400 lives were lost, and the storm paralyzed the region, cutting off communication and transportation. New York City responded by creating the subway system to avoid such chaos again. This storm wasn't just a disaster, it changed how we build our cities. The Great Blizzard of '88, nature's power, humanity's resilience. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.